Hey TK, it is time to work on some math. So we have a brand new strategy that we're using to help us solve addition problems this week. So let's go over our objective and then dive right into this new strategy. Objective is what we are going to learn. I can use 10 frames to solve addition problems. So we are still working with Mr. Gus the Plus here on addition problems. He's helping us to take two things and bring them together, add them up because more is better. And we are going to be using another strategy with Gus the Plus this week to help us show our work when we're adding. Remember, a strategy is a tool that I can use, I can use. I can use. A strategy is a tool that I can use to help me learn. The new strategy that we are going to be using this week is using our 10 frames to help us add. The last time that we used 10 frames, we were using them to show a number. So if I colored in 3 boxes, what number would I be showing? I'd be showing 3. So this week, we're going to be using our 10 frames to add 2 numbers together with Gus the Plus. So what we're going to need is 2 different colors. So you can use crayons when you're doing this because we need to show the 2 numbers that we're going to be adding together. So I'm going to give you an example here. Let's pretend that I had 3 apples and I had 2 pieces of broccoli in my dinner. So I had 3 apples and 2 pieces of broccoli in my dinner. How much food did I have altogether? So there's my number sentence there. I'm adding 3 apples and 2 pieces of broccoli. So what I want to do now is use my 2 colors on my 10 frame to show that. So I'm going to start with my 3. So I'm going to color in. Remember, we always start on the left side, the top left side. 1, coloring in my whole box here. 1, 2, and 3. So there's my 3 apples. Now, I need to show my 2 pieces of broccoli that I ate. Now, what we need to remember when we're doing our 10 frames is we never skip any boxes. So we don't want to come down here yet. I still want to stay up here because I still have boxes left on my top row to color before I get to the bottom row. So I'm going to color 2 more boxes and I'm using my second color now. And I'm doing 2 boxes because I had 2 pieces of broccoli. So there's 1 and there is 2. Now, how many boxes do I have colored all together? That would answer the question of how much food did I eat for my whole dinner if I had 3 apples and 2 pieces of broccoli. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count all my boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that the answer is 5. All together at dinner, I had 5 pieces of food. All right, we're going to do one more, and then I'm going to give you the problem that you're going to do at home by yourself. Okay, so here's our second problem. I went to the zoo, and I saw 6 purple fish, and I saw 2 blue fish. How many fish did I see all together? So what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with filling in my first number of 10 frames here. And I'm trying to figure out how many I saw all together so I know that I'm going to need a number sentence. So here I go. I'm filling in for my purple fish. So I saw 6 purple fish. So I'm starting at my top left corner with my first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I have my whole top row filled up. how am I going to show 6? Where do I need to go to fill in my 6th box? I need to go to the second row. Am I going to go to the left side or the right side? I'm going to go to the left side. Remember, we always start back on the left side. So I'm filling in my 6th box here. So I saw 6 purple fish, so that's all my purple fish. Now, I also saw 2 blue fish. Now, am I going to skip this box and go fill in these empty ones? No, we never want to skip any boxes in our 10 frames. We always want to go right over to the next one in our order. So I'm going to fill in, how many blue boxes am I going to fill in? I'm going to fill in 2 blue boxes. Why am I going to fill in 2? That's how many blue fish I saw. I saw 2 blue fish. So there's my 2 blue boxes. And now I can figure out how many fish I saw all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 fish altogether that I saw at the zoo because I added my 6 purple and my 2 blue. So that's how we're using our 10 frames to help us to add. That's our new strategy for this week. So on your addition practice page, there's an area with 10 frames. That's where you're going to show me your work for this week. And if you don't have 2 colored markers that you could use, you could also make different designs. So what I also could have done was I could have made like a heart here, and I could have done a star for my blue. So I just need to see differentiation between the way that you're showing me in your 10 frames. So you could do X's and checks, different way to show me the 2 different numbers that you're adding up. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna give you your problem now that you're gonna be solving. Okay, so the story problem that you're gonna be solving today is I went to the grocery store and I bought 6 bananas and 3 apples. How many fruits did I buy all together? So I went to the grocery store and I bought 6 bananas and 3 apples. How many fruits did I buy all together? So solve that addition problem. You're going to use your 10 frames to show me your work and write out the number sentence as well. Good luck, you guys. You're gonna do awesome.